In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L360 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser. And once here, please proceed on typing for Epson L360 under the search bar and hit the enter key, and in that way you would be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first result, which contains the Epson L360 under epson.com.ph. So eventually you would be navigated to the website. Click on this downloads to refresh the page and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can select your operating system manually. So from here, you need to scroll down and there you can see a drop down menu where you can select your operating system. Just select for Windows 11 and click on Go to proceed. Once it is being refreshed, I would suggest to click on downloads to ensure that you can refresh again the page until you can see an option where you can select your printer driver or the application or the option where you can select drivers. So please scroll down and locate with the drivers, and there you can see the printer driver. Then click on this download. And if you would like to install a scanner driver as well, you can download it, and then that way you would be able to install that. Just have to double tap to it and install that. And in that way you would be able to install the scanner driver. So here the printer driver, click on the download, and eventually you would be able to proceed a new tab where it asks you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept, and in that way you would can now start on the downloading process. To check the download progress, navigate here at the download icon, and there you can see the Epson L360. So from here, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Now from here, please make a right click, OK, and go with the cut icon. Once you have copied it, close the windows and make a right click here and go with paste. Now, in a few seconds, it would be moved, paste here at the desktop. You need to double tap to unzip or extract the file. Please proceed on that. Double tap to it. And if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, just simply click on yes so that you can. Now it's unzipping. We just have to wait until this would be done. So here you can select or set it as your default printer if you would like to, or you can uncheck it if you don't want. Click on OK. Click on this down arrow key and choose the language that you want to go with and click on OK. So agree on the license agreement, click on OK. And now the printer driver will be installed. So please wait until this would be done. So from here, please choose for USB connection, click on OK, and go with the manual option here. So just select any of these three USB port, either 001, 2, or 3. Click on OK, and kindly wait until this would be finished. So it says here it has been completed successfully. Click on and press Windows key and I key together to bring up your settings. Again, it is Windows key and I key together to bring up the settings. So let's check if it's being successfully installed here in our window by checking it on the printers and scanners. So navigate to the Bluetooth and devices. Please select it. And from here, please proceed with the printers and scanners. And kindly wait until you can see yes, it is being successfully installed Epson L360 printer driver. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.